often tell visitors that Dorchester County can be defined by three things: our history, our art, and of course our seafood. Visitors to Dorchester County can come experience all that we have to offer through these beautiful murals. I'm Jerry Hayes. I'm a proud local and the owner of Elusive Tours, a premium transportation and touring company based here in Cambridge, Maryland. I'm so happy to be here to stand in front of the mural, which is named The Ode to the Waterman, created by Michael Rosado. You can see 3 watermen standing, pulling up the beautiful bounty of oysters here on the Choptank River. The watermen are our lifeblood. They've passed on this tradition from generation to generation, and this is what made our county so special. Visitors from all over the world come here to eat the best crabs and oysters that we have to offer. You could start at J.M. Clayton. It's one of the oldest crab houses in the nation. Portside seafood, and some will say that the best crab cakes can be found in Dorchester County at Boats and Hoes, located in Taylor's Island, Maryland.
My name is Veronica Taylor. I am the Executive Director for Groove City Black Heritage and Culture Group. Pine Street was a Black Wall Street where there were a lot of business owners and businesses. It also was an entertainment hub. It was a very, very big, important part of history, but it got burned down in 1967. We are about bringing business back on Pine Street through our events and creating platforms and opportunities for entrepreneurs to come out and showcase their business, talk about their products, sell their products. We want to make sure that Pine Street can be what it was. So the mural that we're standing behind was inspired and painted by Michael Rosado. And the highlight was the inspiration of Harriet Tubman, who you see as the center. She was the beacon of hope, the freedom fighter that started this. And then it goes to Gloria Richardson, who fought for the civil rights during segregation time. And the people that are behind her are the other leaders who kept the vibrance of the community going.
My name is Linda Starling, and I'm the director of Main Street Gallery right here in downtown Cambridge. The art scene in Dorchester County is pretty amazing. Not only do we have several galleries downtown, several places to see artists working downtown, we have a lot of artist groups that are very active. And then of course we have all these beautiful murals around town. The vibrant mural behind me depicts 12 women of note from Dorchester County who had some relationship with us over the years. There's art to be seen and bought all over Dorchester County, but right downtown we have several galleries. Main Street Gallery. We are the only artist-run cooperative in Cambridge. We have the 310 Gallery, which is down on Race Street. We have a leather worker, Molina Leather, who has his studio and workshop right there in his store, and you can go in and see him at work. And we have our Dorchester Center for the Arts, which is our county arts council, and they are dedicated to arts for all. So there's all sorts of places that you can see art in Cambridge. And we hope you'll come down and visit our arts and entertainment districts all over Dorchester County.
This is the place where you need to come to see what Maryland's all about.